Hello students, let us continue chapter 11 Algebra. The next topic we are going to discuss is using expressions practically. We have already come across practical situations in which expressions are useful. Let us remember some of them. So here we are given situation that is described in ordinary language. In this column we are given the variable and here we are given statements using expressions. So the first situation is Sarita has 10 more marbles than Amina. So here we are comparing Sarita's marbles with Amina's and we can easily understand that Sarita के पास ज़्यादा marbles है. कितने ज़्यादा है? 10 more. So if we consider Amina's marble to be X, then we can say that Sarita has X plus 10 marbles. That is, let Amina have X marble, then Sarita has X plus 10 marbles. For understanding this, you can even consider it numerically. Sarita has 10 more marbles than Amina. यानी कि अमीना के पास जितने मार्बल्स हैं उसके कंपैरिजन में सरिता के पास 10 ज़्यादा है. दैट इज़ इफ़ अमीना हैज़ 10 then Sarita has 10 plus 10 20. If she has 15 then Sarita has 10 more, that is she will have 25. In the similar manner, if we take Amina's marble to be X, then Sarita will have X plus 10. So whatever the value of X may be, accordingly the value of this will change. That is, it is dependent on the variable X. Next, Balu is 3 years younger than Raju. So here we can suppose Raju's age to be X years. We know that the unit of age is years, so that is why we are taking X years. If we were talking about money, then we will take X rupees. So pay attention to the units we are considering. So here, as we know, 3 years younger. Who is younger? Balu is younger. Younger यानी कि छोटा है. तो अगर राजू जो है, if he is 10 years old, then Balu is 3 years younger. That is 10 minus 3, which is equal to 7 years. In the similar manner, since we suppose X to be Raju's age, then Balu's age will be 3 years less, that is minus 3. So X minus 3 is Balu's age. Balu's age is X minus 3 years. That is the statement we get using the expression. In the similar manner, we are given other situations as well for which we can find the expressions. Let us look at some other situations. 5. How old will Susan be 5 years from now? So if we take Susan's present age to be Y, then 5 years from now, यानी कि 5 साल बाद her age will be Y years. Again taking numerical examples, if Susan is 10 years old now, that is as of this year, then 5 years from now, यानी अभी से 5 साल बाद, she will be 10 plus 5, that is 15 years old. So if Y is her present age, then Y plus 5 years will be her age 5 years from now. So this is the expression. Next, how old was Susan 4 years ago? Now ago means back in time, पहले, past की बात हो रही है. तो अभी if Susan is 10 years old, then 4 years ago she would have been 6 years old. What did we do? 10 minus 4. In the similar manner, let Y be Susan's present age in years. अभी Susan Y years की है, तो 4 साल पहले she would be Y minus 4 years old. So 4 years ago, Susan was Y minus 4 years old. This is the expression for this situation. So in the similar manner, we are given some more situations whose expression can be found out easily. Let us now begin exercise 11.4, question number 1. Answer the following. A. Take Sarita's present age to be Y years. First, what will be her age 5 years from now? So in the first question, we need to answer the following questions. So firstly, we are given that we need to take Sarita's present age to be Y years. Yani ki she is presently Y years old. Firstly, we are asked that what will be her age 5 years from now. So just like we discussed, from now means 5 साल बाद, after 5 years. So it is very clear that the age will be Y plus 5 years. That is, Sarita's age will be Y plus 5 years, 5 years from now. Next, what was her age 3 years back? So 3 years back means minus 3. Minus 3 from what? Her present age. And what is her present age? It is Y years. So Y minus 3. What was her age 3 years back? Y minus 3 was her age 3 years back. In the third part, Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. What is the age of her grandfather? Here times means multiply. 6 times, that means 6 multiplied by her age. What is her age? Y years. So 6 multiplied by Y, which we also write as 6Y. So her grandfather's age is 6Y years. Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. What is grandmother's age? 2 years younger. Younger, that means we will minus it with 2. And what was grandfather's age? Just like we found out, 6 times Sarita's age. So 6Y minus 2. यहाँ पर -2 इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि ग्रैंड मदर इज यंगर दैन ग्रैंडफादर. सो ग्रैंडफादर्स एज -2 विल बी द एज ऑफ द grandmother. So 6 minus 2 years is grandmother's age. Lastly, Sarita's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. What is her father's age? In this case, we are given that 5 years more. That is, we will definitely add 5. But what will we add this 5 to? Here we are given 3 times Sarita's age. Now, times means in multiplication with the variable, because Sarita's age is Y years. So, 3 times means 3 multiplied by Y, which we write as 3Y. So 5 years more के लिए हम +5 करेंगे 3 times Y के साथ. So 3Y plus 5 is her father's age. B. The length of a rectangular hall is 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth of the hall. What is the length if the breadth is B meters? So in this question, we are given that the length of a rectangular hall is 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth. So 3 times breadth, and breadth is B meters. So 3 times breadth यानी कि 3 multiplied by breadth, और breadth क्या है? B लिया है हमने. So it is 3B. And it is 4 meters less than. Whenever we are given less than, we will do minus, that is subtraction of that number. And how many meters it is less? It is 4 meters less. So 3B minus 4 is the length of the rectangular hall. Once again, here we are given 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth. So 3 times the breadth means 3 multiplied by B, which is equal to 3B. And it is 4 meters less than. So it is minus 4. So 3B minus 4 meters is the length of the rectangular hall. Next, a rectangular box has height h centimeter. Its length is 5 times the height and breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Express the length and the breadth of the box in terms of the height. Here we are given that a rectangular box has height h centimeter. So we need to use h to represent the height. Next we are given that its length is 5 times the height. 5 times, that is 5h. 5 times h यानी कि 5h. ये क्या है? This is the length. So length is equal to 5h. Next we are given breadth is 10 centimeter less than length. तो लेंथ अभी हमने फाइंड किया. लेंथ कितना है? लेंथ इज इक्वल टू 5h. सो व्हाट विल बी ब्रेथ? इट इज 10 सेंटीमीटर लेस देन लेंथ. तो 5h अगर लेंथ है तो 10 सेंटीमीटर लेस यानी कि -10. सो ब्रेथ इज इक्वल टू 5h minus 10. So here we have expressed the length and the breadth of the box in terms of the height. क्योंकि यहाँ पर height अगर हमें पता होगा then we can easily find the length and the breadth numerically. Here we have written this using variables. Meena, Beena and Leena are climbing the steps to the hilltop. Meena is at step S, Beena is 8 steps ahead and Leena 7 steps behind. Where are Beena and Meena? The total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached. Express the total number of steps using S. So here in this question, we are given that 3 girls, Meena, Beena and Leena, are climbing the top of a hill. So, Meena is at step S. तो यहाँ पर जो वेरिएबल दिया हुआ है वो S है. इसके टर्म्स में हमें टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स को एक्सप्रेस करना है. Another condition we are given is Beena is 8 steps ahead. तो अगर मीना जो है S स्टेप में है, 8 steps ahead means we will add 8 to S. So this is the number of steps Beena has walked. S is the number of steps Meena has walked. And here we are told that Leena 7 steps behind. So the number of steps at which Leena is will be S minus 7. क्योंकि वो S के कंपैरिजन में 7 कदम पीछे है तो हम लोग -7 करेंगे. सो हियर वी हैव द नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स ईच हैज कवर्ड. वंस अगेन हियर मीना इज एट स्टेप S. बीना जो है शी इज 8 स्टेप्स अहेड तो इट इज S plus 8 एंड लीना इज 7 स्टेप्स बिहाइंड यानी कि पीछे है सो इट इज S minus 7. So these are the number of steps covered by Meena, Beena and Leena respectively. Now we need to find the total number of steps. So it is given that the total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached. Meena has reached S. So it is 4 times S. 4 times S को हम लिखेंगे 4S and 10 लेस देन के लिए हम लोग सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो इट इज 4s minus 10. So 4s minus 10 is the total number of steps we have expressed using the variable s. E. A bus travels at v km/h. It is going from Daspur to Bispur. After the bus has travelled 5 hours, Bispur is still 20 km away. What is the distance from Daspur to Bispur? Express it using V. So in this question, we are given the speed of the bus is v km/h. That is in 1 hour, the bus travels v किलोमीटर, दिस इज गिवन टू अस. v किलोमीटर पर आवर का मतलब क्या है, 1 आवर में द किलोमीटर ट्रेवल्ड बाय द बस इज इक्वल टू v. So we are given that after 5 hours, बीसपुर is 20 किलोमीटर अवे. सो 5 hours के बाद जो डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल किया होगा that will be 5 times the distance traveled in 1 hour, because here for 1 hour it is v kilometer, then for 5 hour it will be 5v kilometer. This will be the distance traveled by the bus. So after traveling a distance 5 kilometer from Daspur, बीसपुर is still 20 किलोमीटर अवे. यानी कि हमें इतने किलोमीटर के बाद भी 20 किलोमीटर और ट्रैवल करना है. सो फॉर फाइंडिंग द डिस्टेंस from Daspur to Bispur, we will find the total of this distance and 20. So for finding the total, we will simply add these two. That is 5 hours after the distance traveled was 5v and it is still 20 kilometer away. यानी कि और हमें 20 किलोमीटर आगे जाना है. So it is plus 20 kilometer. So this is the distance from Daspur to Bispur, which we have expressed using the variable v. Once again, we are given that in 1 hour the distance traveled is v किलोमीटर. तो इसीलिए 5 hour के लिए हम लोग जो distance लिखेंगे that is 5 multiplied by v, 5v. And also it is given that Bispur is still 20 kilometer away. That is, we need to cover a distance of 20 kilometers more. So we will simply add this with 20. So in kilometers, we will get the distance from Daspur to Bispur.